Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel by Grow Investor. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about Ford stock again. So Ford stock is at its 52-week lows right now, and not only just at its 52-week lows, but it's at its 5-year lows now. Actually, more like 10-year lows. It was at $7.60 back in 2009. And the lower and lower Ford stock keeps going, the higher and higher Ford's dividend yield keeps getting. Right now, it's floating around 7.6%. That's a pretty high dividend. And this is also making the stock more attractive among some dividend investors. A lot of people are jumping into Ford now because Ford's also, still talking about keeping this dividend for at least a while now. So it's getting a lot of popularity from, dividend investors because of that. And there's also those other investors out there just like, stay away from Ford, don't buy into Ford. It's a bad idea. It's a bad company. Bad news all around. Don't do it. Now, whatever way you think about Ford stock, that's your opinion, definitely. And I don't discriminate against that. I think that there is no right or wrong answer when you are invested into a stock like Ford. Now, for me personally, I still like investing into it. And if I was to even sell all of my shares of Ford right now, I still would actually come out ahead. That is because I've made so much money from all of Ford's dividends. I mean, it's 60 cents a year in dividends. So when I look at it that way, I've actually made quite a bit of money off of Ford over the years. And if I was to keep buying shares of Ford right now at this price, then I'm going to keep making more money as long as that Ford dividend, keeps paying out at the, 60 cents a year. So besides of the last bad earnings call that Ford had, which in my opinion, most Ford investors actually expected to happen, let's talk about what is affecting Ford stock right now. And that is Ford is recalling 240,000 SUVs and cars worldwide because of a suspension part that can fracture and increase the risk of a crash. So the recall is going to cover these vehicles: the Ford Flex, the Taurus police car, the Taurus SHO, the Lincoln MKT from the 2013 to the 2018 model years. Most of the vehicles that were sold in North America. Ford said that it's not aware of any crashes or injuries caused by this batch of recalls. What the specific problem in the suspension is that they need to fix is the rear toe links. And the toe links are what helps keep the suspension stable and helps keep the tires to the pavement. Dealers will replace both toe links with new, stronger ones, and owners of the vehicle should be notified starting March 2nd. To me, this is just Ford, taking preventative measures. There hasn't been a crash or any injuries. It's just Ford trying to prevent, a future problem from happening. And I think Ford in general, there's just so much going on with Ford, with them restructuring their company, getting rid of models and then, changing models and changing the way their business has been being ran. I think in the future, my future outlook on Ford is I think that there's, a lot of great things that are going to happen, with them releasing the Mustang-inspired electric SUV, the Mach-E, as well as the electric Lincoln SUV that they have planned, as well as the electric F-150 that they showcased, and also their investments into Rivian, the electric vehicle company that Ford has invested, I think, about $500 million into that. And as far as, the future earnings report on the next quarter that Ford releases, I don't expect that to be anything great either. I expect that to also be bad, but Ford's just spending a lot of money in general on everything that they're doing with the company. And of course, this recall is going to cost them a bit of money. But until, the restructuring and the electric vehicles and all that pays off, I'm still going to be investing into Ford at these rock bottom prices that they're at right now, and just keep getting that great dividend yield and have that pay off for me, and then expect, in the future that the stock will also pay off for me as well. So that's my strategy. So I'd like to know what you guys think about Ford, what you think about what's going on with Ford right now. Please let me know in the comments section. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.